Ever caught ChatGPT making something up confidently and only noticed because you happen to know better? There's a free Google tool that fixes that, and almost nobody is using it. Welcome to AI Edge Lab. This is NotebookLM, a free AI that only answers from documents you give it and shows you exactly where every answer came from. Let me show you why that changes everything. Normal chatbots pull from the whole internet and their training, so they sometimes guess. NotebookLM does the opposite. It reads only your sources and stays inside them. Upload your files PDFs, your notes, a research paper, a contract, even a YouTube link or a website. Up to 50 sources in one notebook. Then ask questions in plain English. Every answer comes with a citation you can click that jumps straight to the exact line it used. You can check its work in 1 second. That one feature, grounded answers with citations, dramatically cuts the made-up nonsense. For anything that actually matters, that's the difference between useful and dangerous. Studying? Drop in your lecture notes and a textbook chapter and ask it to quiz you, or build a study guide with the page references included. Drowning in a long report or a dense contract. Ask for the key points, the risks, and the deadlines, each one cited back to the page. And the standout feature, it can turn your documents into an audio overview. 2 AI hosts having a deep dive conversation about your material, like a custom podcast for your walk. The best part for your wallet, the free tier is genuinely generous. 100 notebooks, 50 sources each, 50 questions a day, and 3 of those audio overviews a day. For most people, that's plenty at zero cost. One honest caveat, it's only as good as your sources. Feed it junk, you get junk. But feed it solid material, and it won't wander off into fiction the way an open chatbot can. Quick win. Next time you have to read something long and important, don't paste it into a normal chatbot. Drop it into NotebookLM instead and ask for the answer plus the citation. Free, accurate, and almost nobody's using it yet. If this saved you some time, follow AI Edge Lab. We find the tools that actually earn their place every week. See you in the next one.